Today, I'm going to show you how we go from this to not that with just a simple pulley change. Part number. Always remember when you're working with gas, turn that off. And then unplug. And then, wrestle your machine out of your home. Disconnect the, what's it calls it? Gas line's at 19. Turn the fan on. Get some ventilation. Got this door open and that door open just in case. Damn, I just cracked. It should be loose enough for you to undo by hand. Here's them. No gas smell, that's all good. Again, gotta wrestle it in here. Some space. Yep. Okay, now there's a bunch of little 1/4 inch. Slide the top panel off. A couple other ones. I don't know how well you can see from there, but we'll be back in a minute. Back this up a little bit. Yeah, I can see the whole thing now. That's about it. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Okay. So you guys can see what's going on up in here. I can't turn the flash on because my camera angle is too wide. There we go. Am I at the right setting on this dang tripod? Yep. Okie dokie. This is the one we're replacing. I hit that thing with some PB Blaster yesterday, and it didn't make any more noise, but 20-30 minutes later it, of course, was making a bunch of noise. Please excuse the inside of this dryer. I definitely don't want to make any remedies towards the dirtiness of this. But anyways, I'm just placing quick pulley. We will grab that other one. It's gonna be a quick little tiny screwdriver job. And I left my little tiny screwdriver, so I gotta find another little thing that's not a little tiny screwdriver. Let's see. Cause it's got, oh, wait, found something. Perfecto. Alright. Okay, now, this is again on a spring. That belt's gonna lose its tension, which is good. Get that belt right up off there. Yep, just like that. Now, this got a little triangular retainer. That thing flued all the way across the garage. Yeah, this thing's binded up, man. Heck yeah. Alright, got the new one. Essentially, I can only assume that they would be the same. I didn't see any other. Oh, there's a plastic retainer back here. So this came new, and then this came new, and this is on there as well. So then this, yeah, and this, yeah, and then wait a minute. Okie dokie. Let's push the button and see what happens. Oakley dogley. Oh, all right, everybody, and now we have no more noise. I'll mess around with all this later.